Hello, friends. How is going? Francisco here from the LTDF community. I am going live everywhere possible, so I'm just saying LTDF community, just so you know. I just want to check if everything is okay. Facebook says that it's happening, but I need to check the last bit. So bear with me a second, and we'll be fine. Okay. Today, yes, seems to be okay. So today is exciting. It's a playground time. Just wanted to say hello, remind you that the deal is running for a few days more. It's ending in a week. So if you haven't taken action, I would totally recommend to explore at least tier 1. You have 14 days to play with the tool and let's have fun. So the goal today is to play around and mostly show you how to use Convertful with WordPress. We are going to build at least one modal, connect to WordPress, and see how everything works. If you allow me a second, we have also announced earlier today that we are running a giveaway. So I'm going to share my screen for a second just to show you. Just to show you giveaway. No, so we are giving away 4 times a tier 1 deal among all the subscribers of the newsletter starting today, right? And the deal is ending next week in a week. So whoever signs up for the newsletter from today onwards is going to participate on this giveaway. We are going to give away 4 deals, tier 1. In that way, if you by any means got the deal already and you are one of the winners, you will get a refund on the part that belongs to tier 1. If you got a higher tier, of course, we cannot refund everything, just a bit. But I just wanted to give you a heads up. There is a giveaway running. You can join our community and just participate. Ensure that your profile is legit, is decent, has activity, so we can actually approve your application in the group. All right. Now, what's the goal? Let's go quickly and check the Convertful deal page. So we have lots of stuff to go through, but mostly I wanted to show you only 7 days, 1 week. Mostly the goal of Convertful is to help you generate leads, capture leads, and also qualify your leads with multi-step forms on your website. There are 30 plus integrations, and they have a very flexible widget builder you can use to generate any types. You can see pop-ups, you can see scroll inboxes, hello bars, full screen welcome mat, embedded inline. You can embed that on landing pages, on your blog articles, anywhere you like. And of course, place them on your sidebar. Many companies do this to get actually upgrades for people reading their blogs. You can see a few examples. But yes, now for me, the beautiful part of Convertful is templates. So let's go straight to the dashboard that I am going to log in. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to get into my Convertful account. And let's play with this. Convertful.com. There you go. Awesome. Thank you for your patience. All right. I'm going to share this tab instead. So I am logged into my Convertful account. And then what I did, I generated a WordPress website to play today. Now you can see this is my WordPress dashboard. Maybe I can zoom in a second to help you see better. Yeah, looks like it's better. So on this WordPress website, of course, you can see a temporary URL at the top. That's okay. But the goal is to show you what you need to do before start playing with Convertful. So you go to plugins, then add new plugin. Here you can search Convertful because there is a native WordPress plugin developed for this platform. Then click install. Of course, mine is active already, but you can click install, wait a few seconds, and then the activate button will pop there. And then you can see it already listed here, right? And then if you go to settings, you can see you are already connected to Convertful. And then if you want to create a new opt-in, site where I am playing today. And then this is the best part, the exciting part, because you have so many templates to choose from. So then you can decide, what I do. Okay, we have special occasions coming. Well, not Valentine's, but Christmas yet. But here we have Black Friday stuff, right? Yeah, this one is cool. So we can create the pop-up here. I can click create pop-up. Sorry, I was not sharing the right tab, so now I'll do. So we are now we landed on the section where we can actually create widgets. So I'm going to create, and I was saying that this is the exciting part because you have template for many things, right? But also they have a special category like occasions. Of course, no Valentine's yet, Christmas yet, and then here we have, for instance, Black Friday. And I can click create pop-up. That will send me straight to the builder, where we can actually build stuff and play with the tool. Now, here we can see a few steps. First, I'm going to rename Black Friday leads coupons, because I want people to opt in to claim for a coupon. Then you can actually update the text here. Don't miss our special, right? Discounts for first-time buyers. Enter your email to get your discount code. In that way, we can easily encourage people to subscribe. Then we can also save changes. Let me save changes. Then here we can change a lot the elements. Also now on the widgets, we can, for instance, decide what will be the background, a color or an image. You can see this small icon here. That is the AI. So if you want to create an AI background for this, right, you can generate something. So create a futuristic circle image with a metal appearance. I'm just playing with this fast. Let's see what happens. But that will try to create something related to what I wrote, and then it will actually apply the same to the background. It takes a few seconds. That's okay. But you can see, all right, let's play with this. Select, add to widget. Yeah, you can see it was added. All right, it's not bad. What we can do now is update colors, so make it more close to the image. So it's not bad. Then I can also play with this. Yeah, that's fairly simple. So then we can apply same style everywhere, right? Then we can also, yeah, that's enough. Probably that's enough. Let me keep saving changes. What we need to do also, once we have saved, is to decide what's happened. So when they click the button, you can see 1 as number here. In this case, because this website is already integrated with my HubSpot account, is sending the lead straight to my HubSpot account. But you can add and do more stuff with this. So you have go to a widget screen. That means it can go to a different screen. That means a multi-step. You can redirect people straight. Maybe you want to keep it simple. Even maybe instead of having them just checking their email, maybe you want to send them or redirect them to a URL where they can automatically get the offer. Like, that's your decision, right? Also, you can trigger a phone call. That means for other type of buttons, you may want to use that, right? You can also redirect and send the data. Of course, you can get the leads. They have also native webhooks, so you can actually integrate Convertful with almost anything out there, right? And you can also send notifications to yourself. Let's say a lead has happened, right? And then where you want to send, you decide your new email address and all that, right? So the flexibility is huge. Now, what we can do is now play on the second tab. I'm going to save again, display rules. And then here is the magic. no? Where the magic happens. So when do you want to show this? When by default, it will try to do kind of exit intent. Sorry, I'm still recovering from my cough. And also, if someone is just like staying on page, you can decide after how many seconds, if they are still on your page, you can show anyway this, right? Then, for instance, a visitor is inactive for 30 seconds. Usually, time on page, I will say maximum 5 seconds. If they don't get what they want in 5 seconds, they usually leave. Then a visitor is inactive for 30 seconds. A visitor scroll more than 40% of your page, maybe 60, right? So we can decide all that. It's very flexible. And then you can also start creating segmentation. For instance, show only if, and then we can add. So this is like, honestly, insane. The flexibility is crazy. So behavior, if, no, so you should show this if the current page is specific this and that. Let's go back to the site for 1 second. My website is, this is the WordPress site. I'm going to open the actual WordPress website on the different tab. So this is a very, just like pulling patterns to create a few pages for you. No, but let's say anyone who visited the contact page, no, we can then enter this URL and will be the one that we want to use. Going back to the settings, show only if current page URL matches contact, right? And then don't show if, also the don't show is mostly to protect your customers to see overlap of campaigns. No, you don't want to kind of spam them too much. No, so that's why they have also don't show if. Also, maybe you don't want to show discounts to people who recently bought. Maybe you just want to show discounts to people who maybe you send a newsletter letting them know that there is X deal happening. And maybe from that email that they clicked, you have added a special UTM, no, and they come from X specific UTM, only they will see the discount, right? I'm going to save changes, and then we should see this widget loading if I want to leave the contact page. Let me refresh. Okay, so I have refreshed this page. If I scroll 60, it should kind of also trigger it. I want to see. Maybe I missed out something. Let me see where I missed out. Yeah, I think that I need to add the full URL here. 1 second. There we go. There you go. Maybe because of my temporary domain. Maybe. Let's see. Let's go back to the contact page. Oh, I got it. It's off. It's off. Big head. Now it's active. You don't want to miss that. Let me show you. So here at the top right, no, you have actually a toggle to turn on and off the widget. So mine was off. Sorry, that's my head. Now going back to the contact page, I'm going to refresh. And then now we set the rules. If we scroll 60%, the widget will club. So that's how it works. Honestly, straightforward. Let's play with another template. Let me go back to the dashboard. There you go. Here we can get out. And then also on the list, there's a few other AI tools that we can use. For instance, I would say that the cool stuff, you can see A/B split test and then also A/B split test with the wound. That means AI can give you a hand. Let's play with this. So we have how many widget variations do we want? Let's say only 2. Then here we can see all the text lines, part of the design that we already created. And then we can decide which ones we're going to actually test. Text, the mine was Black Friday. I don't need to change that. Save 30%, right? This one is a title, a description. Then don't miss out on special discounts. Yeah, we want to test that. And also the button. That means for all these things that we have turned on, if we create variations, those will give us kind of alternative options for the text. So let's do it. Now we can see what we got. Variation 1, enjoy 30 off, take 30% off. Then variation 1, exciting news for new customers, don't miss out. Hey, buyers, number 2. You can see that AI has generated a few variations. Join the sale, shop now, check it out. We can save, activate, and then we have the variations. So we need just to turn them on. That means we are doing A/B split testing in a breeze, like without wasting time and doing too much rounds or generating text on somewhere else, going back here, adding again, right? That's probably the big value. It's not like, wow, you can generate text with Convertful. No, it's like to streamline your workflow. That's the main goal of AI on this case. The core functionality of the app is not AI generation. The core functionality of the app is lead generation, right? So that's the point. Well, that's easy. Then we can, let's say create another widget. We can create probably a chat bubble. This is how the chat bubble works. It's a very cool design. Let me find one that looks great. This one has the video. Let's create scroll box. This is how it looks like. Of course, we can on click actions, go to widget screen. We should, where is my video? We can actually embed the video there. That's why. Floating action button. We can also personalize this face. So let's say if you want to put the bubble to talk with your reps, you can actually do that, right? It says that we could play something. Yeah, we can change the image, the width. We can decide to hide on mobile. This is the small face. Yeah, but we can also add elements here, right? So for instance, instead of that image, I can delete, but I want to actually put a video there. So I can place the video. Makes sense? So, and it's giving us, of course, this is like the dummy video, but we don't want to show title. We want to autoplay the video. That's cool. And probably this is too much for mobile, so we don't want to show that on mobile. So scroll box with video. Let me say it this way. Then we can go to display rules. Show only if current page. Now I'm going to grab the about page. Let me go back. If the URL matches, about, you can see here about, right? Maybe 30% of the page, at least, if the person has scrolled more than 30% of the page. And then turn on. Let's have a look. And then we can go back to the site. I'm going to refresh this website. Oh, there you go. Can you see? The small face is in the corner, and there you go. Even there is no action on the visitor, by clicking the face, automatically it opens up. So this is very cool. So let's say you can add your promo video here, a welcome message from the founder, many options. Okay, I don't want to be bored today. It's 20 minutes already. I just want to remind you that let's explore together a bit of the integrations, because I think that not everyone is fully aware of all the integrations. All right, so we have two widgets already created, and here you have analytics, so you can actually see the performance. You can see the graphs started to move right away, so that's very useful. Also, you have a way to track and kind of imagine that something has happened with your integration, CRM, whatever. All backup is here. And then integrations are there. I integrated my HubSpot account to play with this. But if we click integration, you can see lots. So actually, all these are integrations working with the platform. And a few exciting stuff is also in the pipeline. And I also asked myself, because I run my newsletter on Beehive, so I said to Julian, hey guys, we need the Beehive integration. Also, Bento is coming very soon, maybe even before the deal ends. So we want to have clarity on all the integrations coming. We have Moosend, that is one of the favorites with the LTDF team, right? So, and also I would say even enterprise email clients are there. Infusionsoft, HubSpot, Customer IO, that's heavily used on SaaS. We have ConvertKit, now it's called Kit, but yeah, I think that they are updating the logo soon. Yeah, ActiveCampaign is one of my favorites. My beginnings as marketer were on ActiveCampaign. So yeah, I wanted to just show you quickly all the potential integrations available. Of course, you can also have your team, building stuff for you, managing, reviewing. You can always invite your people and then manage all your settings, right? A few things that maybe you missed, because these are details inside the platform that probably is not shown everywhere. You can generate event tracking, you can add goals, you can also upload your custom fonts. Sometimes the brand has private or paid fonts. You can use it, no problem at all. You can decide who receives the notifications. You want maybe to protect from spam your widgets, you can enable Google reCAPTCHA. Well, it confirms that it's connected. You can also erase and delete everything. And finally, delete the whole site, right? So you can kind of execute rights to be forgotten. Everything, right, goes out. What else? Well, on the billing section, we have enabled a few things for you. So my current plan is LTD agency 100K views with AI. You can see I have the green check on AI features. I'm going to also zoom in. I think that's still small. All right. So you can see my plan is LTD agency 100K views. I have 50 sites available. You can see I have enabled my AI features, but then those who has a Convertful account can easily log in and buy the AI add-on, 49 only. You can just log in, buy the add-on 49, and you have enabled AI for all your accounts, all your sites. But if you are actually wanting to increase number of sites, page views, or sub-accounts, you can also grab them right here. Yeah, you can see all my stuff there. So this is already available. Whoever wants to upgrade their deal, whoever wants to just like increase not AI from 49, you can do it right. And then going back to our deal, let me recap the pricing. There you go. So the deal is starting in 69. Just a reminder, 69 is very affordable. Then you can of course get the agency, LTD tier. And if you need to go and upgrade, and you want to go, hey, Francisco, I want to go to the LTD agency tier 4 from my current LTD, then likely you need to reach out support, and the guys are going to make things happen for you. So please don't doubt, reach out support. During the deal, all these upgrades are able to do as LTD upgrades. So that's the best part. All right. Don't forget, finally, the giveaway that we are running. We are currently encouraging everyone to stay in the loop with our newsletter. That's why we are going to share this giveaway with all of you. What else? I think that's it. So I'm really happy to be able to share with you guys a bit of how to use this platform with WordPress, how easy it is to connect, to play with the widgets, to create rules, to create A/B split testing, even with the help of a bit of AI. So you can actually understand the scope of the tool, because if you don't see it in action, it's really hard to get. There are lots of positive reviews, even like famous people. I missed out on that. Let me screen share, because I created a testimonial section on the giveaway page. So we have even members of the community, even like Neil Patel. It's not like lie, it's true. This guy share how valuable Convertful is. I'm going to zoom in, because this is, sometimes people don't believe this is. Let me go. There you go. Even this guy, Neil Patel, He says, there are very high converting way to drive new email subscribers to your list. If you are looking for detailed functionality at a low price point, I suggest looking into Convertful. Name Patel, that guy. Then also a fellow UK citizen, Deepak Shukla. He's a great man running agency, doing even like recently he started like a catering service, doing lots of money. So his story as an entrepreneur is great. He also says, I've been using Convertful about across 4 of my company websites as agency owner, driving calls, booked and email subscribers for retargeting is paramount to my business. Even he says, by the date of this testimonial, he has shared already, he can track 25K as a way of leads generated from Convertful. Then Alex Kurz, recently, he's a community member also. He says that it's Convertful on the top 10 LTDs. So we have also from David Ferguson a testimonial here. One of the best widget building and lead generation tools in the market. RJ and son is living in Canada. A must-buy tool for anyone running a business online. So yeah, honestly, the proof is there. The tool is fantastic. Now, if you have any questions, you can always go to the deal page. If you are a Convertful LTD holder and you want to unlock AI or upgrade your deal, go to your account and that's it. And if you are new to Convertful, you have 14 days to play with it, to explore it, and then decide if you want to keep it. Okay? Yeah, that's too much of me today. I'm really pumped of this tool because I have a long time. I have using it for different websites. I'm sure you can get the most out of it. So yeah, see you later. Tomorrow I'll be back with another tips and we are going to play a game with this.